Okay, hi friends. Over 3 of you have asked for a live cocktail demonstration, and so I'm gonna make an extra dry gin martini. It may be bad and this video might not be good because I've never made one before, so enjoy. So first of all, we take our cocktail shaker and we fill it with ice. Meanwhile, we are also chilling our glass in the freezer, BRB. Here is our cocktail shaker. We also use our book because we cannot remember anything. So our book invites us to have 2 ounces of gin. This is the top of our cocktail shaker that is marked as 1/2 ounce, 1 ounce, no, 3/4 ounce, 1 ounce, and it goes away to 1.5 ounces. And so if you have like a generous pour like me, honestly, your 2 ounces of gin, it could be 3 ounces of gin. And you know what? What is a martini except basically a giant cup of gin that people think is fancy because it has a lemon in it? That's what I say, and I'm the one making the video. So there we are. That is our gin. Basically, that's really all that's in a martini, honestly. The extra dry martini also involves this, which is, what do you call it? Vermouth, dry vermouth. They tell you in the recipe to use in the extra dry 1/4 ounce, and honestly, you just put in as little as possible in my experience. As little as possible. There you are. Then also, I guess, yeah, we look at the recipe and then we ignore what it advises us. That's my technique as well. So we do that. We break out a lemon here because this is a martini with a lemon twist. Like I said, that's all there is in it. Then we just shake it. Now, mind you, the recipe tells you not to shake it. The recipe tells you to stir it, just like James Bond does, but this is the recipe ignoring video. Then we go and get our glass out of the freezer. Glass very chilled, super frosty. Little outside of the frame, but you know it's there. Then we pour our drink. So we shake it, and so it actually dilutes it a little bit, which is why people make fun of James Bond for preferring it this way. To me, since you're basically drinking a cup of gin, it's okay to have like a couple of ice chips in it that are diluting it a little bit. And okay, next time I do my video, I'm gonna have all my things that I need here on the counter, so you won't have to see me look for them elsewhere. Whoa, seriously. Nobody knows where we put the thing that gets the lemon peel off the lemon, so we're gonna use a paring knife. People with really good skills are much better at this, so you're not gonna watch me do that part because it's a little embarrassing. But we're just like cutting a little part of the lemon peel off of here. So right thin as we can make it. It's a brand new lemon, so we give it like a little squeeze above. We don't break it in half, although you might if you're me. Then I have a little wipe it around the top technique so that it's released its essential oils, and in it goes. Next time we'll have the fancy thing that gives you the special curl lemon. That is our extra dry gin martini with a twist, although it is not a twist. Strong and delicious. All right, enjoy, bye.